Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best alternative to risky modified Windows versions, and that is ReviOS. If you're still using custom, light, or unofficial modified Windows builds, this video is extremely important for you. Many of those versions remove critical components, disable security features, break Windows updates, and sometimes even include hidden malware. Instead of taking that risk, today I'll show you how to safely optimize Windows 10 or Windows 11 using ReviOS in 2026, step by step. Let's start. Why you should avoid modified Windows versions. Modified Windows builds may look attractive because they promise better performance, lower RAM usage, more FPS in games, less bloatware, but in reality, they often break Windows Update, remove Microsoft Defender completely, disable system recovery, remove important drivers, create instability over time, prevent future upgrades, and worst of all, you never truly know what has been modified. That's why using a trusted optimization solution like ReviOS is much safer. What is ReviOS? ReviOS is a Windows optimization project designed to improve performance, reduce background processes, lower input latency, maintain system stability, keep core Windows functionality intact. Unlike unofficial modified ISOs, ReviOS is transparent and focused on safe performance tuning. Very important, create a backup first, do not skip. Before making any system changes, I strongly recommend creating a full system backup. In my previous video, I showed you how to backup Windows 11 using the powerful and free tool, AOMEI Backupper 2026 version. Now that we are safe, let's continue with ReviOS. Step 1. Create a system restore point. Even if you made a full backup, creating a restore point is smart. Here's how. Press Windows plus S. Type, create a restore point. Click on it. Under Protection Settings, select your system drive, C. Click, Configure, turn on System Protection. Click, Create. Name it, Before ReviOS 2026. Click Create. Wait until it completes. Now you have a quick rollback option. Step 2. Download ReviOS. Go to the official ReviOS website. Download the latest 2026 version compatible with Windows 10, Windows 11. Clean installation method, recommended. There are two ways to use ReviOS. Method A. Clean install, best performance. Download Windows 10 or 11 ISO from Microsoft. Create a bootable USB using Rufus. Boot from the USB. Install Windows normally. Complete initial setup. Install drivers. Update Windows fully. Then apply ReviOS configuration. Method B. Apply on existing installation. Make sure your Windows is fully updated before proceeding. Step 3. Install ReviOS. Open ReviOS package. Run the installer as administrator. Follow on-screen instructions. Select optimization options. Restart when prompted. I personally recommend the clean installation method for best stability. What ReviOS optimizes? After installation, you'll notice reduced background services, faster boot times, lower RAM usage, improved gaming performance, reduced telemetry, cleaner Windows interface. But unlike modified Windows builds, Windows Update still works. Microsoft Store still works, if enabled. Drivers remain functional. Recovery tools remain intact. This is what makes it a safer alternative. After installation, what you should do. Restart your PC. Check Windows Update. Reinstall necessary apps. Install your GPU drivers. Test system stability. Monitor temperatures. If everything works fine, great. If you face issues, you have a restore point, a full AOMEI backup. You are completely safe. Who should use ReviOS? ReviOS is ideal for gamers, low-end PCs, competitive players, streamers, users who want lower latency. It is not recommended for corporate enterprise machines, business-critical workstations, highly security-dependent environments. Final thoughts, 2026. Modified Windows ISOs may look tempting, but in 2026, security, stability, and control are more important than ever. Instead of risking your system, heavy checkmark use official Windows. Heavy checkmark create a backup with AOMEI Backupper. Heavy checkmark create a restore point. Heavy checkmark apply safe optimization like ReviOS. This way you get performance, stability, safety, control, all together. However, always use official Windows installations. Always create backups before optimization. Never skip safety steps. Performance is important, but safety comes first. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.